Let's see how to make sign-in sheets in Microsoft Word. First off, we want to open Microsoft Word. And as you can see right here, we have our document ready. Now, what we need in a sign-up sheet are the following. First, we need to know or to obtain their name. Next, we have to get their email. And then lastly, we have to get their contact number. Now, let's go ahead and insert our table. And as mentioned, we have 3 or 4 if you want, to include a signature in your sign up sheet. Now let's go ahead and make 4 columns. And let's put these labels up on the top. We have name, we have email, we have contact number, and we have signature. Now, if we want to make this a bit fancier, we can go ahead and add another column on the left and have this labeled as number 1, number 2, number 3, and so on. And if we want to reduce the width of these cells, of this column right here, we can simply highlight it, head on over to the table layout, and reduces the width of those cells. And from here, we can go ahead and click on the table again, and that will lead us to the table layout. And if we want to print this in a sheet of paper, we have to make sure that it fits within the margins of the paper. And to do that, simply click on Auto Fit and click on Auto Fit the window. And as you can see, our sign up sheet is now fitted within the margins of our paper. I hope this helped, and I will see you soon.